This error seems to be related to the dependency service and often happens to occur when trying to open Security Center, Microsoft Exchange, Print Spooler, Themes or any other Windows service. First, let's try deleting registry entry. Press Windows key with R simultaneously, type in regedit and press Enter. In newly opened window, navigate to the display directory. On the right side, locate Depend on Service Entry, right-click it and delete. Then reboot your PC. Secondly, let's check the file system with System File Checker tool. Right-click on Windows button, select Command Prompt Admin. In Command Prompt Environment, type in the given command and press Enter. After the process is completed, restart your PC. Now let's try flushing DNS. Right-click on Windows button, select Command Prompt Admin. In Command Prompt Environment, type in the given command and press Enter. After the process is completed, restart your PC. Now let's try updating network adapter drivers. Right-click Windows button, select Device Manager. In newly opened window in the list, expand Network Adapters entry. Right-click on your network adapter and select Properties. Click on Driver tab, then click on Update Driver button. Then you will be given a choice to search for drivers automatically or to browse your computer for the drivers. The latter option is viable if you have downloaded drivers by yourself and have them somewhere on your hard drive or USB drive. Follow on-screen instructions and once done, reboot your PC. Now let's set the services to start up automatically. Press Windows key with R simultaneously, type in services.msc and click OK. Scroll down and find Windows Defender Firewall, right-click on it and select Properties. Under the General tab, pick Automatic as the startup type, click Apply and OK. Then right-click on the service again and select Restart. Do the same with Windows Management Instrumentation Service. Reboot your PC. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.